Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. The global problem. Imran and Khizr are coming back from school. Today, in their science period, they learned about changes in the environment. Both are discussing the changes in the seasons and the climate. They are also talking about the possible measures that can help to save the environment. Imran, do you know the reason behind this climatic and seasonal change? Khizr, these changes are there because of the environmental degradation due to massive deforestation and burning of fossil fuels. Global warming is tangible now. Earlier, we just talked about it. Now we have started seeing its effects. Imran, if this pollution is not controlled, the future is going to be very grim. Life conditions will become unbearable. What can be done to save our environment? Khizr, I agree with you. The only solution to this critical problem is people's participation in saving the environment. We need mass forestation movements to stop the use of fossil fuels altogether to solve this problem. Imran, is it possible? Khizr, certainly it is. There are other alternative fuels available. The government must act strictly. There should be a ban on fossil fuels. The government must create a forest belt near every city or town. Toxic emissions of industries must be strictly regularized. Such steps enable us to control the problem. Khizr, will people cooperate with the government? Imran, sure, they will. Who doesn't want to live? Besides, we must leave a better planet for the coming generations. All that is needed is the awareness and education of people.